Good evening, everyone. Here's Brody, the Ford Taurus fan 2001 here. Sorry for the very long wait. Anyways, today, I bring you my cousin's 2014 Volkswagen Golf TDI sportwagen. And this could be a full, in-depth review of the Golf. We'll start the engine, show it off, go through some of the performance details. I might get an exhaust clip down there. I don't know. And we'll show you a bunch of features on the inside as well as the outside. Anyways, without further ado, let's start her up, let her run. Gray exterior. Black cloth interior. 332,735 kilometers. Ooh, that's a lot of kilometers for a 2014. It's a 6-speed manual transmission. Neutral. It's fired up. Fires right up. Steering wheel down. Perfect. Fires right up. 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. It's very easy power steering with sport grips off to the side. It's a 6-speed manual. All the way over and up for reverse. E-brake. Not bad at all. Let's turn on the headlights, fog lights, and the hazards. And I'll review the exterior, shall we? Man, this is a beast, man. Ooh, shit, I could smell all the loudness coming out of this one. Nord Frost 200 tires. These are Steelies. There's your gas cap. Takes diesel fuel. So this is the TDI. There's your exhaust. Like an exhaust shot after. I'll show you the back seat. Ooh. So this got the 2-liter TDI turbo diesel 4-cylinder. Anyways, let's close her up. Now, I'll review the interior. Ooh. So your fan speed, your different zones, and this also has heated seats as well. And your turn signals. Okay. So your glove box is right here. All these windows are not automatic. And your radio. And it's 4:45 right now, so it's getting close to evening because, so bear with me, it's starting to get dark outside. And your mirror right here. All right. And your power door locks. Your power mirrors. And your window locks is right here. All right. And your wipers are right here. And so here's the kilometers, show you the kilometers. Manual recliner seat. I love Volkswagen, man. All right, let's shut her off.
See the bills to ring it, puts the cab on it. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. What tractors I think Buddy had in there?
Well, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed the in-depth tour of my cousin's 2014 Volkswagen Golf TDI Sport Wagon. Hope you guys enjoyed the in-depth tour and stay healthy.